students. Now today I am going to explain you how to find out the relative molecular mass. Okay, calculate the relative molecular masses of these compounds. So your first one is sugar, C12H22O11. This is the chemical formula of cane sugar, C12H22O11. Now here you can see some elements atomic masses are given. Okay, this is the common one. You should remember these all atomic masses of these elements. Okay, so first one C12H22O11, you have to find out the relative molecular mass of this compound. So first one is carbon. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Number of carbon atom 12. So you have to multiply these two. Then plus hydrogen atomic mass 1. Number of atom 22. So 1 into 22. Then again plus oxygen atomic mass 16 into number of atoms 11. So 16 into 11. Okay, first you have to write down the atomic mass of this particular element and you have to multiply it with the number of atoms present in this molecule. Okay, so atomic mass of carbon is 12 and number of carbon atoms 12. So you have to multiply. Then with the second one you have to add it. Okay, again atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, number of hydrogen atoms 22. So you have to multiply it. Then again you have to add it with the third one. Oxygen atomic mass is 16, number of oxygen atom present in this sugar 11. So you have to multiply it. Okay, now 12 into 12, 144, 22 1 22, 16 into 11, 176. Now if you add it, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 4, 12. Then your answer will be 342 AMU, atomic mass unit. Okay, it is very simple. Now the second one you see, copper sulfate crystal, CuSO4 into 5 molecules of water. So copper atomic mass is given 63.5 plus sulfur is given 32 plus oxygen 16, number of atoms 4. So you have to multiply it. Okay, plus 5 molecules of water. So 5. Then hydrogen 1 into 2, 2 plus oxygen 16. Okay, 63.5 plus 32 plus 64. 63.5 plus 32 plus 64 plus 16 plus 2, 18. 18 5 ja 90. Okay, so calculate this. You will get the answer 249.5 AMU. Okay, now the third one is ammonium sulfate NH4 whole twice SO4. So you can write this formula like this also. How many nitrogen atoms are there? 2. So separately you can write hydrogen 4 2 ja 8, 8. Then SO4 and 2H8 SO4. It will be easy for you if you remove the bracket and if you write down the particular atoms separately, it will be easy for you. Okay, so nitrogen atomic mass 14. So 14 into 2 plus hydrogen 1 into 8 plus sulfur 32 plus oxygen 16 into 4. 14 into 2, 28. 8 into 1, 8. 32 plus 64. So you will get the answer 132 AMU. So this is the method how to find out the relative molecular masses or molecular weight of the compounds. I think you understood all this. Okay, it is very simple. For this you should know some common elements, atomic masses. Okay, now your next one is percentage composition. Okay, percentage composition. How to find out the percentage composition of a particular element in a compound. percentage composition. So percentage composition of a compound is the percentage by weight of each element present in it. Okay, suppose any compound is there, any compound, suppose it is a water is a compound, so you have to find out the weight of each element separately. Okay, the weight of hydrogen molecules, the weight of oxygen molecule, you have to find out the weight of each element separately. Okay, so your formula is percentage composition is equal to total weight of element, total weight of the element in one molecule upon gram molecular weight of the compound. Gram molecular weight of the compound into 100. Okay, total percentage of all the elements in a compound is 100. Always you have to remember it, that total percentage of all the elements in a compound is 100. Okay, now first example number 1, calculate percentage of hydrogen in water. Percentage of hydrogen in water. So water molecule means H2O. In this water molecule you have to find out the percentage of this hydrogen only. Okay, this particular element's percentage you have to find out. So for this, first you have to find out the relative molecular mass of this compound. So relative molecular mass, how you will calculate? Okay, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 into 2. Okay, 1 into 2 because 2 hydrogen atoms are there, so 1 into 2 plus oxygen atomic mass 16. So your RMM is equal to 18. Okay, 2 1s are 2 and 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. Relative molecular mass of this water molecule is 18. Now you have to find out the percentage of this hydrogen. Okay, you have to find out the percentage of this hydrogen. Okay, so since 18 gram of water contains, since 18 gram of water contains 2 gram of hydrogen. See, 18 gram of water contains 2 gram of hydrogen and 16 gram of oxygen. So here we will talk about hydrogen only. We will not talk about oxygen because in the question hydrogen percentage is asking. So since 18 gram of water contains 2 gram of hydrogen, so 100 gram of water, 100 gram of water contains, what you will do, 2 upon 18 into 100. Okay, so you will get the answer 11.1%. So this is the method how to find out the percentage of any particular element in one compound. One more example you can see. We have to find out the percentage of nitrogen in urea. The chemical formula of urea is NH2CONH2. So for your convenience, you can write the formula like this. See how many nitrogens are there? 2. You can write N2. Hydrogen 4. So you can write H4. Then like this. So you can write N2H4CO. Okay. Now first you find out the RMM. Okay, relative molecular mass of this compound. So how many nitrogens are there? 2. And atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. So 14 into 2 plus 1 into 4 plus atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus oxygen 16. So here 28 plus 4 plus 12 plus 16. Okay, 28 plus 12 plus 4 plus 16 is equal to 60. Okay, this is the relative molecular mass of this urea. Okay, total relative molecular mass of this urea. Now you have to find out the percentage of this nitrogen only. Okay, so again you have to write down the formula. Percentage of nitrogen. Okay, percentage of nitrogen. Your formula will be weight of nitrogen. Weight of nitrogen upon total weight of urea. Total weight of urea into 100. So weight of nitrogen is 28. Okay, nitrogen 28. Total weight of urea 60 into 100. Okay, so what you will get? Your answer will be 46.67%. Okay, so first you have to write down the formula. Okay, then first you have to find out the relative molecular mass, and then with the help of this formula you have to find out the percentage of any particular element. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you so much.